Good morning and welcome to the Waverider Morning News. I'm Rylan.
And I'm Bryn. Today is Thursday, December 20th, 2018. It is the 68th day of school.
Attention 5th graders. Mark your calendars for Old Donation School and Brickell Academy open house on January 3rd. If you have any questions, please see Miss Day in room 41.
This week's vocabulary word of the week is mistrust. An antonym for the word mistrust is the word trust. A synonym for the word mistrust is distrust.
Try to use the word of the week in a sentence. Write your sentence on a slip of paper with your name and your teacher's name. Put the sentence on the box on stage by this afternoon.
On Friday, we'll select one winner from the box and you'll win a prize. Good luck!
Here are today's birthdays. Happy birthday today to Liam M. from Miss Sills' class and Daniel S. from Miss Oxenine's class.
Please be sure to stop by the office to pick up your birthday brag tag charm. We hope you have a great birthday.
Today's lunch is a choice of walking nachos, taco salad, cheeseburger and bun, or fruit and yogurt parfait and roll.
Now it's time for the weather with Kaylee.
Currently under overcast skies, the temperature is 49 degrees Fahrenheit. The barometric pressure is 1,016.9 millibars and falling. Winds are coming from the east at 8 miles per hour. The humidity this morning is 90%. In the past 24 hours, we have received trace amounts of rain at Ocean Lakes. Today's National Weather Service forecast calls for a 100% chance of rain today. Today's high temperature will be 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and tonight's low temperature will be 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4-day outlook calls for rain likely Friday, then mostly sunny Saturday and Sunday and Monday. High temperatures will be in the mid-60s tomorrow, then in the low 50s Saturday through Monday. That's all for today's weather. Now back to Rylan and Bryn.
Thanks, Kaylee. Those are all the announcements for today. I'm Rylan.
And I'm Bryn.
Have a thrilling Thursday.